Hey everybody, welcome to another Pro Acoustics Tech Talk. My name's Nathan, and today we're going to talk all about the Pure Resonance Audio MX9 rack mount mixer. Alright, so I have the new Pure Resonance Audio MX9 rack mount mixer. It is a very versatile unit you can use for a number of applications. As you see here, it is a 3U chassis, so it takes up 3 rack spaces and has a total of 9 mixing channels available. The bulk of which with actual faders, north and south linear faders, rather than rotary faders, so you can mix from the unit, which makes it very popular for mixing lots of microphones and input sources and that kind of thing. Use these a lot in school gymnasiums, small houses of worship, school stadiums, or ball fields, things like that, where we want a little bit more control, a little bit more equalization than what just a standard single rack mount mixer may give us. So basically, within this 3U, we have 9 inputs. 7 of those are going to be balanced inputs, meaning those balanced inputs have XLR inputs, as well as the option for 1/4 inch balanced inputs, and then inserts on those. If you don't know what an insert is, a channel insert basically allows you to add things like compression, equalization just for that channel to tie in some other hardware pieces. We also have some additional RCA tape input options, and as well as a tape input on the front and a headphone jack as well. We have within this unit also a built-in media player, which gives you the option for plugging in a USB thumb drive, built-in Bluetooth, also the ability to use the built-in effects. So, for a school auditorium, you need a little bit of reverb or something like that, that's built in. You can add that as needed. We also do have on the output section, we also do have auxiliary outputs available if you need to drive a recorder or audio in another area. Very versatile and flexible for the options that you have here. So a very lightweight unit, weighs about 9 pounds. So not going to be too terribly heavy. We can put this inside of a portable rack if we need a portable system with this, or we can use it in a number of different applications as needed. Once again, I'm Nathan. Drop us a like or a comment down below and let us know if we can help with your project. And take care, guys.